Hello there, and welcome to the demo showcase of my game, Space Raider. So, quick context Space Raider is a 2D isometric roguelike that was developed for my Capstone project for university. So, here's the game. The flow is as follows: the player spawns into a hub world, and within this hub world, you can upgrade your weapons by going to the weapons cache. You can change weapons, um, upgrade your health and abilities for the player. As you can see in the top right, we have economy. We have economy system over here, and then of course customize your character by coming to this over here. So the main thing about my project is local LLM inference in a game. The my theory or the thing I'm testing is I want to see how immersive or if the use of LLM technology in video games can be immersive enough for the player and actually encourage them to play more. So before we get into that, I'll just go into a bit of the gameplay. So let's come over here to the portal and then get into a world. So spawn into a dungeon. All the dungeons are procedurally generated. So this is the layout for this particular dungeon. We spawn into the combat room. Sorry, we spawn into the spawn room, and then we enter a combat room. Within the combat room, we have enemies. So two types of enemies: turret enemies that shoot at you, and then grunt enemies who walk up to you and then attack whenever they're close to you. So you kill them and they have a chance to drop either ammo packs, which are these, or health packs. And the rooms are on a wave-based system. So let's just clear this room. Oh, also, just see, you can't actually go through rooms while in game. But that's mainly it for the gameplay, to be fair. Let me just see. So we can go back to our hub world and to showcase the capabilities of the LLM. Some of the things that you can do is all these entities are interactable with their own unique personalities. So let's just talk to Gunther. You walk up to the NPC and then you interact with them. So Gunther is a black market weapons specialist. We'll just chat to him. How you doing, Gunther? Oh, better yet, actually, I'm going to the dungeon. I'm going into the dungeon. What loadouts would you recommend? So that sends the prompt up to the LLM running the local LLM that's running off of a custom library that I built. And you can see that we get the response. I got a good deal for a 10 moons pistol. So we pass the prompt through to the LLM, and the LLM spits out the output, and then we parse through that output, and then we put that output into the game. From a high level perspective, that's how this is working, and this is how, and these are for each. These work differently for each NPC just because of their behaviors. So Arnold is responsible for the weapons armory. How? What quests do you have for me? Ooh. And so that sends up the thing, and then we get a response back from the NPC. I have a few projects in mind. One for a new sword, another shield. So that's just one of the ways we can interact with. That's one of the ways that we integrate elements in the game. Another way is, so the loop of the game is by you pick up quests, you go into the dungeons, you kill the enemies, and then you come back to upgrade your weapons. So one of the ways we integrate that is through the job board. Within the job board, you can see here, we have there are 3 jobs here, and then we have this one. So you can see right here, Gunther puts up a bounty after armed stragglers after. So this piece of text here, LLM generated. Just to add a bit more context to the world without the developer having to painstakingly go through that process. So just pick up that quest, and I'm just going to change my weapon to the biggest sword here. Go into the dungeon, and our task is to kill 6 turret enemies. So where are we going first? Let's go down. So you want to get into the portal room, or you're looking to get into the portal room every frame. And so we're just going to kill these enemies. There are a few different types of enemies. Oh, sorry, there are a few different types of weapons. So as you can see, I'm using the shotgun right now, and then I have a melee as well. Sword. So just going to finish these off. There's an assault rifle, a pistol, and 2 other swords that attack faster. So once you've cleared, your objective is you always want to get to the next portal, and then that takes you to the next level. So oh, nice, pretty short room, or pretty short spawn. This one, only 3 rooms were generated. Beautiful. And once you die, so you get your game over screen. Shows you the time you survived, your stats, and then your high score for the level. There's just one more thing I need to showcase in regards to the LLM. So within the LLM, if you press up on the D-pad, you can send a request to generate you some insights on the room. So as you can see, room insights, we're in the spawn room, which is a large room. And that works on different, that works for different rooms, or depending on the room that you're in. And that's pretty much my game. I hope you've enjoyed this short little demo. And yeah, thank you.